So I remember new song have come right now named Me a Pray. See me? Me a pray for all the shatters with the rifle upon them chest. And then go lift June. No sir, no. That mean when I say him left himself loose.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Yeah man, blessed love, blessed evening everybody, good evening, good evening. Yes man, to the world, peace and love. So this morning you see me in my work uniform. This evening now you see me in my football uniform, see? Yeah. That is it, and that is how I live my life. That is how I commute on a daily basis. Work, football and music, spending time with families. You know what I say? Big up between them America, I and Jay. Missing them, but I don't know. So see daddy man. See? Yeah man, hold up a look. Viewers and subscribers, I'm on my way to football now. And it's freezing, getting cold right now. Cool, winter is here. Cool front, cool front, cool front. Is that what I'm saying? Yes man, so I don't know, tired enough, but driving tired out, you know man. But yeah man, I do this vlog quick and spicy and you know, for that, big up everybody. You see it? We have the train station you know. But one, do that vlog of send condolence to LeeGates TV. Vlogger who lost his life. Suddenly, you know. Yeah, but that's how you go. Cheer, man. You see me? Yeah, man. So you go, you know, John Star, the general. Loose, play loose. Play loose. You know? Well, we send condolence to the families and friends, loved ones. You know? Yeah. Never know say that day I go come, but let me say him play loose. You know? I don't know, how far back.
Hear the man say, don't be ashamed to talk. The struggles make you stronger. I tell you what that tune your people. Big tune and I know thing going on. We promote big artists. You see me I say, Rasta bless up yourself you know, from DJ Boss. Up top Boss. Go to thing go.
Yeah man, who feels it knows? Who feels it knows? Big up yourself. The up top Boss. I'm part of Canada there. Brimstone, big up yourself. See, it's our next trainer. Yeah man. You know Lion for to keep it real on the battlefield. I'm the man of peace. Zine, I'm the man of peace. You know we always cry for peace and try to speak positively. To educate the youths them in badness. And the men them and the girls them. You know what I mean? For try think and take them way out of badness because it's never too late. I just voice a tune for DJ wanted. There's a way out. We tell the youth them say, yo, there's a way out, you know. You know, some youth get trapped and feel like there's no way out. So they have to bust it till D-Day come, you know? Whether under the ground or prison. Now LeeGates condolence in families them again and trust me. Sad, you know? But as when I say him lay loose, him play loose and loosen up himself. What he did he shouldn't have, you know? Worse, him show him he's a man that show him face. I don't know on the ground that. Everybody know everybody and program run. See? I'm a man of peace, I'm not like the crime business. You see me? So when me touch crime topic, me always try to tell the youth them say, you know, cool them with the crime and violence and thing and you don't know, me do my thing different. You know, from other YouTubers. Big up like Serpy, big up Serpy. And on the spot news media. Them man in show them face and them man they go hard and burn them fire fighting crime. Me not fight crime. Me not fight crime. Me cry for peace and try to talk to the youths them. You see me? I'm not a law enforcement officer. Get what I say? And I'm not a reporter. In that way, well, vloggers are like journalists, yes, but For LeeGates, we are show him face. Him go too deep and I don't know up on the ground that I can't do certain things. As I say, especially if you're a man, we are show him visuals. People are see him and know him. The killy them know him. See me? Somebody know somebody, you know, I know who you know and who know you. You see me I say? So I say him left himself loose. Crime just took place and in there I film it live, film the people them. I haven't seen the video, I haven't seen the visuals, I'm just going by what when we hear other vloggers cover it as I say, you know? And in the paper. Yeah. I message I know. So I say he shouldn't have filmed it live. I think that's how he might run a big risk. We start film live and seeing. I film the deceased two person who got slapped with. Film them, then him say I drive. I drive got the hospital if go show more footage and everything there. And then go lift drone. No sir, no. That mean when I say him left himself loose. And on the ground you have to know how to flex, how to step, you know, things of what to do, what not to say, because a simple little thing you say and it can cost your life. You know, I come from one of the rural toughest places there, but you know, I would never, so I do a vlog and I try a burn water and say, yo, infidel, no sir. We talk to them and say, yo, peace, world the peace and love, you know, world the peace and love. Two you drop out in a white scheme where they are. I know one of them group watching grow. I'm sad for no saying gone. One of my friends get shot up already. And them man now do no crime now. Straight football like myself, football. You see me? But anyway, him get shot up. Me can't tell a man no football's gonna go kill or not for kill. Me can talk and say stop the crime. Think before you act. You see me? Think before you act. You could have talked over and them way. Worse my face I show you mad. And music. Me fight crime musically. Like when I say man a crime agent. Man a crime agent, me ready. If you fight crime, me not have no patience. When I say fight crime, me not talk action. The Rick me song me I send out a statement. So me I say, if I could work magic, crime would have vanished. Anna Francis that left me astonished. Now stop preach till the message reach all over the 14 parish. From downtown right back to Spanish, the gun trafficking and killing forget abolished. Wish I could get rid of it like how the acetone get rid of the nail polish. You see me? Those are the way me fight crime. Musical inspire the youth them because music is a powerful thing and you can reach to some of the youth them with a bus and a fire gun. Reach them and them know themselves they are true, you know. They are trying to change. Because me talk to enough youth where in a badness and them say them are trying to change. But it's a hard task when you're in too deep. So I just do that quick vlog, you see me trainer forward there. You see me, if I miss that trainer, I'm going to late for my match. But I was just doing that quickly one if you say, yo, Condolences to LeeGates, and what he did was a stupid move. You know, it was a stupid move. Shouldn't have videoed the crime scene, I wish they go live through and the man them get paranoid. The man them get paranoid. You know how the killy them say upon the ground. Worse if they know say use a vlog and you do certain thing and I fight against them certain way and certain way. Allow that to Serpy and Honest Spot News Media them. Make them man fight it as hard as them want because them not show no face. You will show face, you approach it the wrong way, you see me? Yeah man, you approach it the wrong way, brother. You know? You see me? You approach it the wrong way, man. It's very sad, you know, and you know, say you're gone that way. Shouldn't never lift the drone. And once you rise the drone, a whole heap of footage are capture, and you know the police them in the come and all of them we see that and use footage because the police them work off of information off of social media. When they hear people are saying where I say yes. The police them do work off of that. So you go lift that drone and now you just put a big grip on your life. And that's how me feel. That's my opinion still. You get to me I say, yes my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. That was a quick reasoning. Condolences again to LeeGates and his families and friends and child, kids if you have any, you see me? Yeah man, I don't know a lion foot and to the youths them all over Jamaica, I say yo, holy crime. hold it, hold it, hold it. Me say, if you stop your crime, stop your crime. To every carry with me and bleed and I cry. Please don't stop your crime, stop your crime. Put down the 9, no more body enough you find. Yeah man, that is a song done by me and Jat Thunder. Big up yourself, Jat Thunder. You see me I say, peace and love and unity all the way man. You see me I say, condolences against once more to LeeGates and his family. Yeah man. You depend on bad people place and you see crime and go on. You have to know, you can't have video and a talk certain thing and man I pray and come for you. You know? I better you say you to no wallet and them way there, you see me? Yeah man. A peace and love man, and big up the youth them again, big up the peacekeeper them, the warmonger them, everybody man, and love man and respect and hold it man, hold the peace man, and man I try to draw on out, just hold it. I make the man draw on out because life is worth living and there's a way out. You see me I say, all who are fire gun, there's a way out. But I don't know, lion foot, can't tell a man to live them life. Each to them own uprising and downfall. That's how me see it. You see it? Peace and love. Saying? Blessed love. Yeah man. Check out my single, you know, who feels it now. So I never know song have come right now name. Me a pray. See me? Me a pray for all the shatters with the rifle pan them chest. Me a pray for all of the suckle in them pan the breast. Me a pray for all the emperors and all the empress. Me a pray for all the lion them and all the lioness. Look out fate, 10th October. Alright, I'm out. Not another word that I'm out.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.